Good morning, or whatever time it is for you. For me, it's early morning. And I just wanted to share with you a beautiful breath practice. We're going to be doing a few different kinds of breathing. The first one will help to balance feminine and masculine energies within you. We'll also be doing a little breath of fire. Breath of fire is equal inhale and exhale through the nose. All of this breath today will be through the nose unless I say otherwise. So breath of fire, equal inhale and exhale through the nose. On every exhale, you're pulling the navel toward the spine. So there's a bit of a pumping action with the belly. Equal inhale and exhale through the nose. If you are on your first 3 days of your moon cycle, or if you're pregnant, don't do breath of fire. It generates a lot of heat and energy in the deep belly, and you've already got a lot of that going on. So if you are on your moon cycle or pregnant, you'll just do long, deep breathing instead of breath of fire. And if it becomes too complicated to coordinate the pumping of the belly with the breath, you can also just settle into long, deep breathing. We'll also be doing a breath at the end that will help to smooth out your nervous system and bring peace and calm. So as a practice, as a practice as a whole, these 15 minutes are going to help you to more easily access the love that you are, and to be more receptive to the energies of love and light and joy and peace. So let's begin. We're going to start. I'm going to set a timer. We'll start by using the right hand to block off the right nostril. We're breathing long and deep through the left nostril. So long, deep breathing. So continuing with long, deep breathing through the left nostril. The long, deep breathing, with the inhale, you're allowing the belly to expand and then the chest to expand. At the top of the breath, the shoulders might rise slightly. And then with the exhale, the shoulders will drop, the chest will soften, the belly will soften, and you might even use your abdominal muscles to press all of the air out at the bottom of the breath. And the breath will deepen even more as we go along. Just let it be relaxed and deep. Softening the shoulders. And bringing the gaze up toward the third eye point. So between the brows. Just gently resting your awareness here in the third eye. Or if you prefer, the entire ocular region. So after your next exhale, we'll switch. Bring the left hand up to block off the left nostril and breathe long and deep through the right nostril. Again, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Just breathing deeply and enjoying the deepening of the breath. As you balance the masculine and feminine energies by breathing through alternate nostrils, you are gifting yourself with more of both kinds of energy. You're clarifying these energies within your being so you have more access to your creativity, your receptivity, as well as your more logical mind, all the doing that needs to happen in the world. Beautiful deep breaths. And after your next exhale, bringing the right hand up again, closing off the right nostril so you can inhale through the left and exhale through the right, and closing off the left nostril. So long, deep breathing, inhaling through the left, exhaling through the right. Know that as you breathe, you're giving yourself this beautiful gift. As you breathe consciously, you're giving yourself this beautiful gift of life force energy. So as you breathe, just be aware that you are in a beautiful moment of self-care and self-love. Inhaling left, exhaling right. And after your next exhale through the right, we'll drop the right hand, bring the left up to block off the left nostril, and we'll inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Feeling your whole body receiving this oxygen. Every part, every muscle, every tissue, every organ, just receiving the beautiful breath. And using this cleansing action consciously, inhaling clean air, exhaling toxin, enjoying. Resting the awareness in the third eye. After your next exhale, releasing the nostrils, and just enjoy some long, deep breathing through both nostrils. Maybe you can feel the breath moving through your whole body. You might feel some additional aliveness happening. Staying with the breath, long, deep breathing. The awareness in the third eye, or the entire ocular region. Feeling the aliveness, feeling the breath, feeling the gift of life. And then if you're doing breath of fire, we're moving into breath of fire. Equal inhale and exhale through the nose, pulling the navel toward the spine with every exhale. If you're not doing breath of fire, continue with long, deep breathing. Go at your own pace. Equal inhale and exhale through the nose. Chin is slightly tucked. The gaze is still up and in at the third eye or the ocular region. Inhale. Suspend the breath. Hold. Circulate the energy throughout the entire body. And exhale. Returning to long, deep breathing through the nose. Noticing any experience of peace or expansiveness. And we'll finish with a 3, 6, 9 breath pattern. So we're going to be inhaling for 3, holding for 6, and exhaling for 9. So inhale and exhale and begin. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I really screwed that up. Inhale for 3, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe normally. And just resting here, noticing any experience of stillness, peace. And bringing some gratitude into your experience. Just feeling the feeling of gratitude. So I invite you to move into your own moment of prayer or acknowledgement. Just honoring this time, honoring and giving thanks for whatever is alive in you. And taking all the time you like to complete. And you can come all the way out when you're ready. Thank you.